I'm out here scouting slash hunting for some grouse and rabbits. Undisclosed location, not because it's a very good hunting area, because I don't know where we're at. I have a pretty good idea. We'll find out how good of an idea on the way back. I'll keep y'all updated. And I do know to get where I'm at, I climbed a mountain. I don't know if it's a mountain in Alaska, but it is for sure a mountain in Texas. 100%. Oh, look. Frozen creek. But we're gonna walk around, check it out, see what we got going on. A bunch of little frozen creeks everywhere running around, and a bunch of moose poop. I thought I was tracking a rabbit at one point, and I followed it for a while, and it turned out it wasn't rabbit, it was a big ass moose. But you know, bees like that sometimes.